Date today, April 15, 2025, ang deadline ng ating annual ITR year 2024. Saktong-sakto ang question na ito, pwede ba bayaran ko ng tax due ko kahit hindi ko pa nare-receive ang tax return receipt confirmation or yung BIR email confirmation. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at GA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Ang tamang process po, hintayin muna natin ang tax return receipt confirmation bago po tayo magbayad ng ating tax. Except pag deadline na po at hindi pa rin natin nare-receive ang email confirmation ni BIR. So today po yun guys. Kung ngayon lang tayo nag-file, usually kasi pag deadline po tayo nag-file, matagal po natin nare-receive ang email confirmation. Pwede siyang abutin ng ilang araw. Kaya dapat po i-proceed pa rin natin sa payment today, April 15, 2025 kahit wala pa yang BIR email confirmation. Don't worry, darating pa rin po yan. Malilate lang yan ng ilang araw based on our experience. Ang importante po ay na-file mo siya online at nabayaran mo siya on or before the deadline, which is today, April 15, 2025. What if hindi mo po siya nabayaran kahit na-file mo siya online pero hindi mo po nabayaran on or before April 15? Meron po yang penalty. Again, para po sa lahat ng BIR registered freelancer, deadline po ng annual ITR year 2024 filing and payment is today, April 15, 2025. Pag may question po kayo, dito na lang po sa ating community, Freelancers BIR Tax Compliance Support Group, and I will try my best to answer all of your ITR year 2024 questions today. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding Freelancers BIR registration and Freelancers Tax Compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.